Hi everyone, you are with Ramone the Chef. We're making something really simple and most importantly absolutely delicious. We're making this vegan stew today. Anything that you have in your fridge, we can throw it in. It's going to be slightly spicy, some lentils. It's going to be absolutely delicious. First, we're going to start off with a bit of onion, a little bit of garlic, peel, chop, straight in the pan. So if you like it a little bit spicy, add a little bit of chili as well, about half. We're not making a lot. Add the seasoning as well. And then we're just going to sweat that all off into a pan. After you have your onions, garlic and chili chopped, we're just going to add our spices. We have some paprika, some cumin, a little bit of coriander, bay leaf, salt and pepper. Doing this thing for about 2 minutes, sweating down, getting all those flavors amalgamated, mixing up, making it more sweet. What we're going to do now, add a little bit of lentils, add a bit of stock. And just add your water. That's it, so glad. After you put your stock in, all we're going to do now is just chop up some veg, throw it in, done. I have a bit of butternut squash, I'll probably use some swede, and I have some leftover carrots and courgettes. So carrots, peel, any which way, just nice slices. I'm doing some nice angles, would be better actually. Once you have root vegetables in, absolutely optional, you can add a bit of thyme, a bit of bay leaf. And then cook for 20 minutes, that's it. You have been with Ramone the Chef. We made something really simple, vegetable stew. Like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you soon.